Imagine growing your Twitter account on Autopilot. No writing, no checking, not opening the app, not even touching your phone. Growing your account without you lifting a finger. That's what this Twitter AI automation will do for you. It's been working for me already for a few weeks. And honestly, it's really amazing. I don't do anything. The AI automation is live. It finds tweets from my accounts that I want to reply to and engage with, and it automatically writes a tweet that fits my persona, fits my character, and ensures that my account can grow and engage with a network. This is super good, honestly valued at thousands of dollars. People all around the world, companies and people want to grow their Twitter accounts so they can grow their businesses. And Replies is one of the most powerful ways to grow outside of your current system and network, because the Twitter AI algorithm is actually boosting replies because it shows active engagement. So if you want to have such a system for yourself, and if you want to sell such systems for businesses, then this video is perfect for you. I'll show you how you can build it. You will find this AI automation completely in our AI Automation Club Skool community, where you can just grab the JSON file and put it in n8n. But again, tune into this video to see how we build it. And yeah, let's get on with it. Here is the xReply AI agent that is growing my account on Autopilot. Yeah, so basically it is able to post tweets 5 times a day, honestly, as much as you put it. And it basically grows the account, engages with the audience, and writes for you. So, some automation workflows can be very complicated, but this one is not complicated. Let's go on with it and see how I built it and go through the details. And keep in mind, you can find the entire workflow in the Skool community, as well as instructions on setting that up, as well as 100 other workflows. But yeah, so we're starting here with a trigger. Trigger basically means that it starts at a defined criteria. We have a cron job that runs here on the left, which you cannot see, and it is setting the criteria to post 4 times a day at specific time intervals during business hours. If you want to add that yourself, you can literally just ask ChatGPT, hey, give me a cron job for the scheduled trigger on n8n, where I want to post at 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 8 o'clock p.m. time, UAE time, for example. And it will send you a code which you just paste into this field. And yeah, that's the first trigger, right? We want to run that at specific intervals, and we don't want to seem like a bot. That's why we have it at business hours. Next, Google Sheets. So in a Google Sheets, here is where we have the sheet with a list of the Twitter accounts that we want to engage with. So you just ensure that you have one column, and this is the get row operation from a follower spreadsheet where we were reading from sheet number 1, just reading from the list. And we, as many accounts you will put there, that means that the agent will start using them in the reply list, right? So this is crucial to have. You should gather that yourself. Specifically target accounts that have similar target audience that you want, right? If you want to grow your account, what type of follower do you want? Find another account that has that same type of audience, right? If you're an AI automation builder like me, find other AI automation builders, add them on this list, right? So this is a life hack. And then we're going to a code node. Why do we need a code node already? Because we need to set at random, right? We have a big list, and there's really no reason to choose one. So we're just putting a code in here that will ensure that we just take in random accounts from the list and engaging with a recent comment. So that's the code here. And then we're going to the next phase, which is another code node. And this one, in addition to, it takes the list of the from the spreadsheet, and it actually, let me see what it does, adds Twitter link to it, because it's just a username on the spreadsheet as far as I remember, and it adds the correct link. I think, I'm not sure, and I don't remember exactly what this code node does, but that's what I think. And so from the next one, we're already going to API requests. So here we have the link to a RapidAPI link. And usually in like today's world, AI automations, there's like two big tools right now. You have Apify and you have RapidAPI. I tried Apify a lot. Many people were recommending it. I found it to be a headache, honestly. While you can have free credits there and there are some cool stuff there for sure, RapidAPI was like the most simple thing that just take the curl, an API key, boom, everything is ready. While Apify was, very, very problematic for me. So yeah, this is super simple. I took one of the Twitter APIs from there, and I found out how to use it, right? So basically, you have the link and you need the ID from the username, right? Or actually, it gets the ID. So this is what we do. We take the username we just got from the list and we find the ID because we need the ID to reply to it. That's how the X Twitter node will work, right? So that's basically simple. And now you guys saw my API key. Hopefully I can hide this on this video so I don't have to change it. But yeah, that's this node right here. And moving on to the next one. After we got the ID of the Twitter username, now we are actually finding, let me see here, his tweets. Because we need his tweets, then we can get the ID of the tweets themselves, right? Because now we have the account, now we need his tweets. So that's this link right here. And yeah, pretty simple. Just finding the tweets from the username, which we just added, the username ID, right? And so this will output an ID for some of the recent tweets or one tweet, right? And that's what we have here. And so we have a specific code node or edit fields node because it sends in a lot of data. We get a lot of data, and this is like the columns that we're just taking. We're just taking the columns that we get as a result. And I will show the past execution so we can see it. And we just ensure that, yeah, each one here, one tweet from the timeline, right? Pretty simple. And then I think that what we're doing here is that we are choosing I think we're just choosing one tweet. I'm not sure. Yeah, the latest tweet. Maybe this is like a redundant workflow. But I think we're just taking one of the tweets here, and then we are giving that. So we're getting the ID. This is a long thing, right? But it's actually just gonna give an ID, and then we're taking that and giving that back to the RapidAPI so we can get the tweet ID as far as I'm aware. We will double check this, right? And so once we have all the information, basically we are transforming the data into one string. We give that as a code node to basically input, because we get a lot of text. Like the X API gives you like a freaking Bible of a lot of text, and if you give that straight to an AI agent, it will work, but it will cost a lot of tokens. So I found a hack that we just use this code here, and we say, hey, can we get the tweet ID and the tweet text only? So that's what we get here, and we give that to the AI agent here with a pretty cool prompt. And then we have the OpenAI chat node, simple memory. You can use others. And then X tweet reply, right? We just posts the tweet. So you have the parameters here that AI defines the ID and the tweet, right? Because it should choose what to reply to, right? And at the end here, we have a Telegram message where we send it to a Telegram bot we have created. I will make a new video later how to make a Telegram bot. And it gives me a success and a reply. So, when I'm chilling, drinking my cappuccino, I get a message. We reply to this tweet. And it's such a breeze. It's so chill. You save like hours of trying to scroll and find a good tweet, right? So that's the workflow, guys. It's pretty simple. Now, I know you guys have some open questions. There are a few things I didn't clarify. So we will go into a past execution here, run it step by step and see exactly what we're getting and how it works. Okay, so I just cleaned the workflow for you guys as you can see, and now it's a bit different, but let's get on with it, right? So we are getting the list of all the accounts here, 19 items. It takes everything, right? And then we're choosing one from their rows, and we got this person on the last tweet, the link, right? The link. And here we just take the username from that link. So that was about. Just take the username, leave the link away. And then we get the user ID. You just need to send the username to the RapidAPI key. That's why we have this node here, get the user ID. Then we take the user ID and we send it to get tweets, right? So that was what happened here. I think this node has a lot of data. That's why it was loading. And now I have a frozen screen here. Hopefully it loads. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So we're back. There was small system disruption. So we're not open this node here, but basically what we're getting here is the tweet IDs. And then yeah, as you can see here. So we can see what we get, a big, massive screen of information and text, right? So we're basically trying to find the tweets. There's like a lot of information here, and we're trying to find the tweets from here. So I had to manually check everything here to get what I understood was the tweet ID. And that's what we have here, numbers of IDs of different tweets on the timeline. And then edit field takes that, and I think it just outputs the most recent one. And then back to RapidAPI gives that tweet ID, so we can get the actual tweet content. That was this one was. We're getting the tweet content now, so we can give that context to the API, agent. And I know we have already gone through this flow, but here we're seeing the actual execution, so it's valuable for you guys. AI automation takes all of this into one string, and then code node just outputs only the most important parts, what we need, right? Boom, giving that to the AI agent and posts that. So yeah, this is the workflow, guys. This is one simple workflow. You can only focus on selling one thing, and I'm sure you can earn thousands of dollars of selling that, right? Imagine how many Twitter users there are there. 300 million? I don't know. But this is the AI automation that we have built. You can get the AI automation at Skool. We're also updating these into automations, and you have 100 other automations in the AI Skool Community Club. So, if you like AI automation, if you are new to AI automation, we have a program there as well that lets you start from A to Z, learning how to use all of these systems in the N8N dashboard and N8N in general. So yeah, I hope you like this video. This is one of my first showcase of my workflows. I have built hundreds of workflows right now, and I've already solved dozens of problems for many businesses, landing clients. If you liked the video, if it was valuable to you, I super appreciate a follow, a like, and a comment. This YouTube channel is new, so any support I get would be very appreciated. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope to see you in the next video.